Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can fix the bits falling off earpads. Now if the earpads is not very damaged, if it's still in a relatively good conditions, you don't want to replace this whole pads. Instead you want to fix this outer pads and put it back in place. Now as you can see here, it is kind of falling off, so we can actually try to fix it and put it back in place instead of replacing this whole pad here, as it is still in good condition. Now this pad here actually has an adhesive at the back, and you can actually just peel the adhesive and then glue it on. So this is what it looks like if you're buying a replacement. So it is just a pad, and behind the pad here you can see this one right here in the reflection. It basically has the adhesive. It's like a double side adhesive. You can just simply peel out the adhesive and then stick it on. And with this one here, all we really need to do is simply remove this piece of plastic right here. If we remove this piece of plastic, you will be able to remove this whole pad here. But in this case, I'm going to simply just try to squeeze this back into the slot instead of replacing it. So what we really want to do here is basically we want to kind of like using one prying tool and lift this one up. So here we're going to use one tool and kind of like lift it up a little bit. This will kind of like loosen up the adhesive, and with another tool, so with another prying tool, we can try to then push this leather piece back in. It can be a little bit tedious, so you may need to take your time. So we kind of like push it back in like this, and as you go along the side here, just simply try to push it in into the slot right there, and you can see it will go in if we just kind of like push it along like that. And then try to hold it as we go along and then push it in. So just go along the side here and then push it in. Now as you push in, just kind of like squeeze it down so that you have the extra space right there, and then we can use this prying tool and push it right in. You want to push in as much as you can so that it will stick on the inside. So here you can see there is a bit of extra, so we're gonna push it right in like so, and then just go all along right here and then push it all in. And once it is stay in place, just go around and double check to see if there is any other loose spot. If there is, just go ahead and again push it right in. If it come off again, kind of like push it down so you have extra leather there, and then you can push it all the way in so that it kind of like remains stuck in place. And so there you go. You can see you can push it right back in without having to buy a replacement pad. But if your earpads is already damaged, then of course you will need to buy this whole piece here and replace it. It can cost anywhere from $20 to $30 depending on where you get them from. If you get them from Amazon, they are fairly cheap, maybe around $10 to $20. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.